Hello everyone. Today we will learn Excel formula that you might not be using to its full potential, that is the take formula. But we won't stop there. We'll also explore how to combine it with filter and sort function. Okay, let's get started. I have a sample dataset here containing product ID, product name, seller name, and sales done. In example 1 we are going to use only take formula. Suppose we want to extract the first or last 3 sales amounts from the entire data set. So is equal to take. First thing it will ask us is array means the whole data on which we want to use take formula. In our example it is in A6 to D15. The second thing it will ask is rows means how many rows we want to present from the whole data, so we are taking 3 as we want to extract first 3 sales. Third thing it will ask is columns means how many columns we want to present from the whole data. In our data there are total 4 columns, so we are taking 4 here. And here we got the first 3 sales, but now if we want last 3 sales we can do by adding the formula and putting minus sign in front of 3, and here we got the last 3 sales. Hope you have understood the above formula. Now we are going to use take formula with the sort function. Let's take an example that instead of first 3 sales or last 3 sales we want to find highest 3 sales. In this case we need to use both sort and take formula. First we are using sort formula to sort the sales in descending order so that highest sales can come on top. So is equal to sort. First thing it will ask is array means the data that we want to sort. In our case it is in cell A6 to D15. The second thing it will ask us the sort index means the column number that we want to sort, which is sales in our case, and sales are available in 4th column. The third thing it will ask is whether you want to sort data in ascending order or descending order. In our case we want to find top 3 sales, so we are going with the descending option. Close the bracket and press enter. You can see that our complete data is now sorted based on sales from the highest to lowest, but we only want to reflect top 3 sales here. For that, we need to use take formula in front of sort. Hence, by editing the existing formula, we insert take after equals sign. Bracket open and consider complete filter formula as array for take formula, and we want to find top 3 sales, so put 3 here. Close the bracket and here we get the top 3 sales only. Hope you have understood the above formula. Now let's take third example to combine take, sort, and filter formula all combined. In the last example, we have found the top 3 sales from the whole data, but now we want to find the top 2 sales of product name mobile only. For that first, we will use a filter formula to find sales with the product name mobile is equal to filter. First, it will ask for the array, which is our whole data from A6 to D15. Second, it will ask for include, which means what we want to include in our answer by using the filter formula. This in our case is mobile, so we are going to select the whole product name column equals mobile and press enter. Here we get the sales of mobile. Now we will insert sort formula by editing out existing filter formula. Type sort after is equal to bracket open and take complete filter formula as array for sort formula. Now it will ask us for the sort index, which means the column number that we want to sort, which is sales in our case, and sales are available in 4th column. The third thing it will ask is whether you want to sort data in ascending order or descending order. In our case, we want to find the top 2 sales, so we are going with the descending option. Close the bracket, press enter, and here we can see our data is now arranged into descending order. Now we want to show only top 2 sales of mobile, then we will use take formula in front of sort. Type take after is equal to, open the bracket and take all sort and filter formula as array for the type formula. Now second thing it will ask is how many rows we want to take, that as per our example is first 2. Close the bracket and press enter. Here we get our top 2 sales of product mobile. Thanks for watching this video.